How to add transitions on Instagram Reels. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account on Instagram. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and simply select on the reel over here. So let's tap on the reel section, and as a tap on the reel section you can select any of the reels over here. So I'm gonna select a particular reel. I'm going to select two reels over here just to show you how to add the transitions over here. Let's add the reels over here. Let me add two reels and then tap on next. And as a tap on next, you can simply tap on the option of edit video option at the bottom. So let's select on edit video. As a tap on the edit video option, you can see there are two videos over here. Now between both the videos, you'll be able to see this mark over here. You can add the transition whichever is more convenient for you and then tap on done. After adding the transition, you'll be able to just create and also have transitions added on your Instagram Reels. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.